Welcome to the product tutorials on how to report on invoiceable line items that have not been invoiced yet in your Replicon system. I'm now logged into the Replicon instance. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create one single report to know what all line items are yet to be invoiced and are invoiceable in your Replicon instance. In order to create a report as such, go over to the Reports tab that's available here. And click on New Report that's available on the top. Now in the Category section, choose Project, and in the Report Type section, choose Billing Template. If you do not want to keep the columns that are pre-selected, remove the columns that are available here. You can now include the columns that you want to, like the client name, the project name, the username in case you want to, and now include two columns in here. One is called Invoiceable and the other is called Invoice Status. Click on the Create button that's available at the bottom and you would reach the report page. In here, go ahead and choose two filters by clicking on the Edit button next to Filters. One is Invoiceable and the other is Invoice Status. And click on Done Editing. While you can set the client, project and date range filter to whatever that you like, you have to set the Invoiceable filter to Yes and the Invoice Status filter to None. Remove all the other options mentioned in this particular filter. Change the date range filter if you would like to. For example, I can increase the date range to this year, or I can have any specified date range specified here. Once you've chosen a date range, click on the Run Report button that's available at the top. You will see all the line items that are invoiceable, and since the invoice status is set to none, you will only see those which have not been invoiced yet. If you wish to see the ones out of the invoiceable line items that have already been invoiced, then you can go ahead and choose the invoice status that's available here. Click on the Run Report and you will see all the line items that are invoiceable and have already been invoiced. This is how you can create a report. After you create a report, make sure you save it and then it's available for use anytime in the future. Thank you for watching the video. Did you know that you can now stay updated about the new features of Replicon or get in touch with Replicon using the Replicon community? In order to access the Replicon community, from our homepage, go over to Customer Zone, and on Customer Zone, go ahead and choose Community. On this community, you can sign in, start posting your ideas, questions, and if there are any things that you would like the product management team to know directly, then go ahead and feel free to post the things here. Also, click on Categories, and under the Categories section, you can go ahead and choose Product Updates to stay updated about the new features that we implement every week in Replicon.